I'm going to tell you about some really confusing prepositions of place. Like many things in American English, prepositions can be pretty confusing at times. Prepositions of place, you usually think, I just have to remember what each word means and it describes where something is in relation to another. However, there are some tricky parts of using these prepositions of place. And right now, I'm going to talk to you about on and in. All right, so I have a basket and I have a marker. This marker is going to go in the basket. In is when it is surrounded by the rest of the basket. It is enclosed in this basket. This marker is in the basket. All right, not too bad. Turn over my basket. This marker is on the basket. It is sitting on the surface on top of the basket. It's not up here, not over here, not in there. It is on the basket. Okay, so we got in the basket and on the basket. Not too confusing, right? But sometimes when we're talking about different commonly used phrases, we might use some prepositions that don't make a whole lot of sense. When we talk about a bus, a plane, or a train, we say people get on a bus, plane, or train. Let's go get on the bus. It leaves in a few minutes. We have to get on the plane now. It is boarding. Let's go get on the train. Do you have your ticket? So people get on a bus, plane, or train. Now I know that does not make sense because when you are riding on an airplane, you don't go sit on the top of the airplane. That wouldn't be very safe. You go inside, right? But when we talk about bus, plane, or train, we use this word on. However, when we talk about getting in a car, we say in a car. So let's go get in the car and we'll drive to the store. So this one makes more sense in my mind because that's what that word means. It means that you are enclosed in space. The car is surrounding you, so you are in a car. Confused. Here's another one. When we talk about bikes, motorcycles, or horse, we say you get on. You get on a bike, on a motorcycle, or on a horse. And this one kind of makes sense because when you sit on a bike or on a motorcycle, there's a seat. You sit on top of that seat. So you are on a bike or on a motorcycle. When you sit on a horse to ride a horse, you are on the back of the horse. So again, you are on. So this one is not too confusing. It actually kind of means what that preposition means. But then we get to boats. People get on a big boat, but they get in a small boat. Why? A big boat, like a cruise ship, people would get on a cruise ship. So you say, let's go get on the cruise ship. It is going to leave the port soon. However, if you're going to go out fishing in a canoe or a kayak, a small boat that only holds 1 or 2 people, you get in that kind of boat. So you would say, let's get in the canoe and go fishing. Why? I don't know. This is crazy English language for you. And unfortunately, there are no real rules that make that clear other than just memorizing this list and knowing that we always say on for a bus, plane, or train, but we say in for a car. We say on for bike, motorcycle, or horse. We say on for big boat, and we say in for small boat. So write down this list, keep track of which one is in and on, so when you speak English, you can use the preposition of place.